1, or stay on the line for your fleet manager.
Yeah, Prime, it's Ryan.
It's Chris at 625542.
Let me see if I can get hold of this. Hang on a minute. Went straight to voicemail. Give me a minute, see if he'll answer that message. Alright, hang on. Try and get this to work. We're on new phone systems. Some of us are, and he's on it. I'm on the old, so we gotta... Hang on, okay. Answer. This button, join. I think we're all here. Chris, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, Dennis. Alright, so just to kind of, I think, recap where we were at. So, Chris, Dennis was talking about basically a lot of, or all of, the videos that was on the YouTube channel about how they can be incriminating, I guess, kind of in the court of law. And I think I think Chris, you said then that you were kind of understood that, and that's kind of where we were at, I think.
Chris, do you have any questions that I can answer for you?
I only had the one, and that's what happens if I don't do it.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that for me?
What happens if I do not remove the videos?
Well, then what we'll have to do is we'll have to evaluate the situation and make a tough decision. Are we in a position where we feel comfortable defending you based on the information that you presented to the public, for the public eye to see?
What you're trying to say is that I'm a liability and that will be an end of contract situation.
Potentially.
means I'm going to get to the end of the month and I'm gone. I'm done. I'm just going to take my completion bonus and I'm done.
Well, okay. I hate that it has to come to that, but I understand your line in the sand, and we will respect it. If for some reason your mind changes or you have questions or want to dive a little bit deeper into the situation, I'm available to have that conversation with you.
This is Dustin. How may I help you?
Hi, Dustin. This is Christopher Gates.
Hey, sir. How's it going?
I don't have a good way to put this, so I'm just going to put it bluntly. I'm going to have to cancel all of the graphics.
What's going on?
I'm getting fired.
Oh, no. Okay.
So, I know you've put some work in already. I won't ask for a full refund. I figured if you could take out whatever, you know, you've already done the work on and just refund the rest of it and call it good.
Okay. Yeah, let me get with my boss and let me see what we can do for you, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, have a good one.
You too. So, they didn't want to say it. They made me fucking say it. Which was, take the videos down we don't like or you're out. I'm done. I can't keep doing this. Week after week, month after month, year after year, I'm so fucking tired. And if it's not this thing, it's another thing. There's always some other fucking thing. Over and over and over. 11 and a half years, completely fucking meaningless. And their argument was, the videos made me a liability in the event of legal issues. Basically like, oh, well, you have a perfect record, but if you get sued tomorrow, they can use these videos to say, oh, look, he has a history of this, this, and this. So that was their logic for why that I should take the videos down. And if I refused, contract termination. At this point, fuck it. I'm so goddamn tired. This job at this company has ruined my health. It's ruined my finances. It's ruined relationships. I have tried so hard for so long with the expectation if I put the effort in, I buckle down, it's gonna get better if I just keep trying. And I have been repeatedly proven wrong, over and over and over again, and I'm done. I'm so tired. You miss out on the next truck. This was going to be the art. This was custom designed by an artist for me, for a truck, specifically made to fit on the side of a sleeper, around the company logos, and around the DOT information. Hundreds of hours of work were put into this piece by the artist. It is a massive file. My copy alone, which has been downsized, is 250 megapixels. She ended up drawing all of these scales by hand because the canvas was so big, there wasn't a brush to do it for her. This amazing piece of art will never see the side of a truck. I had another artist. She did the art that's on my current truck that I got 3 years ago. This was going to be the hood piece. Again, hours and hours of effort and time. It's what could have been. I was in the middle of the process with stripes and stuff to get it put together and put it on a truck. That was going to be our next truck. So, yes, now the argument is Ryan wants to turn me around and basically send me straight to Springfield and call it done. And my end of lease on my current contract is the end of the month. That was the date I've been working towards 4 months. Because you complete a lease, you get a lease completion bonus. So the argument now is to try and get my bonus that I have spent the last 3 years working towards. So I guess that's it.